And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll be going over Yieldzilla. This is the latest Titano fork auto compounding token that earns you 2.5% daily and just a little bit over 900,000 APY, and it is launching soon this Friday. The pre-sale is open to the public. This is a fair launch. So in this video we're going to go over the details of Yieldzilla and also take a look at my Sphere Finance position. Lately, we've been seeing a trend in staking layer 1 applications, and now we're seeing a momentum shift with these Titano forks. We're seeing a lot of these other staking platforms get rugged. That money is cycling and coming into these auto compounding projects. So there is a shift in momentum at the moment. I'm pretty excited about this one, and I'm definitely going to be there in line for that pre-sale to try to get some tokens. Before we go with Yieldzilla, I just want to touch base with my Sphere Finance position. I released this video yesterday morning. This project was released 3 days ago, and I did add a little bit of more money into it. So total investment on this position is $900, and as you can see, the current holdings here is $1,310. The current market cap is 24 million, and I think based on previous projects like Liberal Finance, Titano, I think this can very easily reach 100 million plus. So we're still talking about a 4 to 5x from these levels. And if we look at their chart, it's a complete spaceship. Let's go to the 7-day, which actually is like 3-day, and look at this chart. The money is rotating into Sphere Finance. I think this is going to continue for about another month or two. Make sure to check that out. I will leave a link under the description of this video for Sphere Finance if you want to check out that video and how to get involved. Let's go back to Yieldzilla. They're claiming to be the highest paying protocol. Click here to buy YDZ and view chart. These are not active since they haven't launched. A monster has risen. Get lifetime access to high APY, and crossing out some of the competition there. And they're going to give a 916,000 APY. It says here, get paid every 15 minutes. Auto staking simplify. You don't have to do anything. You basically buy the token and you hold it. Things are becoming a lot more easier as an investor. You don't have to go to an application and stake or lock your tokens. You can easily buy in and get out and earn those rewards, which is awesome. Yieldzilla auto liquidity engine, Yield. They have an auto liquidity mechanism where it adds liquidity every 48 hours based on the fees. Aside from this, there's a few other things they're doing for the tokenomics, which I think it's great. This is how much you can really earn. If you invest $1,000, it's claiming you can make $9 million of YDZ at 916,000 APY. I'm not expected to make $9 million, but one thing that I have seen from these projects, you can easily 5 to 10x your money if you get in early. That's not even a question. I know it sounds pretty ridiculous, but this is the way these projects are performing right now. So yes, I'm excited, and I like that there is a fair launch. There's no hoops. You just have to wait in line Friday and partake in that pre-launch. I'll go over the pre-launch after we go over the site here. Check out our special roadmap and how it works. I lose you guys sometimes when I read this, so I will leave a link in the description of this video if you guys want to read that. I'm just going to show you guys how it works. There is a buy slippage of 15% and a sell slippage of 20%, which is pretty standard. This is normal with these high yield compounding projects. Nothing out of the ordinary. And Yieldzilla emergency savings, yes. So keeps holders safe by preventing bank runs through price stability, enabling long-term sustainability and future growth of Yieldzilla protocol, migrating down risk. So they have a few different mechanisms, just like the auto liquidity. They have an emergency savings fund, and the last mechanism they have here is called the black hole. This is basically burning. The black hole is where 3% of all the fees go and never return. As volume increases, the black hole grows in size, increasing through self-fulfilling auto compounding, reducing the circulating supply and keeping the Yieldzilla protocol stable. So those are some of the measures they're taking to make this project sustainable. Is there a whitelist? No, there is no whitelist. We want to give all community members a fair chance to participate in the pre-sale. How will the pre-sale work? On PinkSale. PinkSale will host the Yieldzilla pre-sale. It will be a fair launch to ensure all participant receives an equal price and opportunity. Please have BNB ready in your wallet for the pre-sale. It will be first come, first serve basis. The soft cap is 2,000 BNB and the hard cap is 8,000 BNB. We'll go over the specific details of the launch after we read some of this information. Is Yieldzilla going to KYC? Yes, we will be doing a KYC with RugDoc prior to the pre-sale. And here is some information about the APY, how to stake, how to rebase, and basically you don't have to do anything. It's automatic. And if you keep on going down, you have their social media links. I highly encourage everybody to come join their Discord, Twitter, or Telegram. That's where I get all my information from these projects. You have to be active in these platforms. Everybody's talking and you get the latest information. So now let's go to their Discord and see more about the pre-sale. Pink sale pre-launch price is 1 BNB, which equals to 24.66 YDZ tokens. Soft cap is 2,000 BNB, hard cap 8,000 BNB. If hard cap is not reached, remaining tokens will be burnt in the black hole. Minimum purchase 0.1 BNB, maximum purchase 25 BNB. So that's pretty big. That's a huge range there. So basically anybody can come up here. 0.1 BNB is fairly inexpensive. And if you're well, you can buy 25 BNB. So they're allowing the public, the general public, pre-sale to really take on a nice position there. YDC Tokenomics, initial supply 325,000, max supply 3,250,000,000. Available to purchase on Pink Sale pre-launch 197,000 tokens. It will be in PancakeSwap. This is part of the BNB Smart Chain Network. PancakeSwap launch price 1 BNB equals 22.19 tokens. Here it says 24, so it's going to be somewhere around there. Initial market cap estimate $6 million USD. Now that we're reading about the initial market cap, let's bring up Sphere Finance. This was launched 3 days ago and it's at 24 million. So if you do get into that pre-sale, you can easily, based on the performance of this project, easily forex your money in 3 days. And these projects can easily reach up to $100 million and beyond, no problem. So there's a lot of opportunities right now where money is rotating. You guys don't want to sleep on this. And here's the pre-sale date is March 25th, Friday at 2 p.m. UTC. Pre-sale is public. There are no whitelist spots. This is a fair launch. So that is Yieldzilla. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this project. Are you guys pretty hyped about it? Are you guys gonna FOMO into it on Friday? I'm going to try to get that pre-sale for sure. No questions asked. These are the trends that I'm seeing. So if you guys made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Hit the notification bell for more projects like this. I've been releasing a lot of time-sensitive videos so that you could get into these projects before or when they launch. And that is where the money is being made. Make sure to check out Yieldzilla and Sphere Finance. Links under the description of this video. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.